আমরা প্রমিস করেছিলাম যে কিছু কিছু মানুষের কাছ থেকে কোয়েশ্চেন পাবো এবং তার উত্তর দেব। আজকে আমি সেই কাজটা করব এখন। কিন্তু এতক্ষণ আপনারা গান শুনলেন, ইউ জাস্ট ওয়েন্ট টু দ্য কনসার্ট, অ্যান্ড if you love it, all credit goes to all my gurus, because today, on the auspicious day of Guru Purnima, I am so happy that I could do something at least for the benefit of the music fraternity and for the musicians, particularly accompanying musicians. What I could do, it was possible only because of all of you. So I pray to Almighty that you will be always connected with Shruti Nandan for any good music in our country. I explained that these questions, immediately after the program, it's not possible for me to give the answers just at that time. That's why I recorded all these answers. I have asked my online team to get connected immediately after the program regarding the satisfiable answers from a humble and poor musician like me. The answer to Mr. Arindam Ghosh, how a song being composed, and is it a spontaneous phenomenon or there is some process or method? First thing we shall have to know that the composition, which class of composition, is it a Bengali composition or Hindi language composition, or what is the meaning and what is the inner feeling of the whole conception of the lyric? If it is, say for example, Koelia gan thama ebar kuhutan bhalo lage na ar, first of all you will have to read the lyric to understand the meaning and feeling. Then you will have to understand the meter, the chand. এটা কি 3-3 ছন্দের গান না 4-4 ছন্দের গান? কোয়েলিয়া গান থামা এবার কুহুতান ভালো লাগে না আর, 3-3 ছন্দ. So after knowing the composition that it's 3-3 chand bandish, then you will have to select which rag conveys which kind of mood. This composition was composed by Guru Gyan Prakash Ghosh ji. He composed like that: Koeliya gan thama ebar kuhutan toroi kuhu 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 kuhutan, or to express kuhu kuhutan. Tan means movement. Kuhutan bhalo lage na ar. If I sing like Koeliya gan thama ebar kuhu kuhutan bhalo lage na, কোয়েলিয়া গান থামা এবার কুহুতান ভালো লাগে না আর. Nowadays, this judgment is sometimes missing, that which lyric carries which loy. First the meaning, then the tal and the meter, and how to distribute and what should be the BPM, beat per minute, means what is the lay. After understanding everything, and you have the conception of music, conception of particularly raga music, the melodic form, different melodic form, which carries the closest relationship with the lyric. Those things will have to be kept in consideration. This is the basic law to start composing a song. Thank you. Your second question is why Tibrama is not used in Bhupali, although it's in Kalyan, Thaat or Ang. I'm not going to describe the Thaat now because Thaat is not very scientific. I don't follow Thaat. But re re nu pa re ga. This is a very important phrase in Kalyan. Pa re ga. This is Chayanat. Pa re pa ga ma re sa. Hamid. Because ragas are dependent on some phrases, some combination of notes, not the note. Because the Tivrama in Shuddh Kalyan, Tivrama in Rag Yaman, and Tivrama in Hamid, and Tivrama in Kedar, they are all in Kalyan group. But their Tivrama are completely different. So, notes never makes Rag. Rag is made by Sur, the typicalism of using the notes. So, Tivrama, there are some Rag in Kalyan group which are dependent on Tivrama, like Yaman, which are dependent on Tivrama and Madhyam, like Shyam Kalyan, like Kedar, like Hamir, like Chayanat. And some ragas are not dependent on Tivrama, like Bhopali or like Hangsodhwani. Although it's a Carnatic rag, but it's accepted in North Indian music, Hindustani Sangeet. इसमें भी आपका रे गा प रे ने प सा, there is no Tivrama. But this is also should be considered in Kalyan group. Thank you. Namaskar. Answer to the second person who sent question, Tiyasha Ganguly. Please accept my namaskar. I am very happy that you are aware of Shruti Nandan. Shruti Nandan is a temple of Indian music. Not only Indian music, temple of music. However, you are a part of Shruti Nandan. Everybody who is interested in music, he or she is a part of Shruti Nandan. Your question, what you asked, that process of Riyaz. Riyaz, in greater meaning, it's practicing the same thing again and again, and to understand that I could achieve something. If I practice sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, everybody knows. But after practicing it for 7 years, 8 years, you can sing ga ma pa ga re pa ma re ga ma pa dha ga ma pa dha ni ma ga ma ni da pa ga ma pa dha ni sa pa dha ni ga ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sa re pa dha ni ma da pa ga re ga ma pa dha ni ma da pa ga ma pa dha ni sa pa sa ni ga ma ni da ga ma da pa. So I could achieve to understand the position of pure notes. Pa dha ni ga ma ni re ga ma ni pa dha ni sa ga ni sa ni re ga ma dha re pa ma pa ga re sa. This is the meaning of Riyaz. That before I started practicing, I knew the notes, but I could not use them. So from day one, when I know the subject, and up to the day of maybe 10,500 500 days after the beginning, your achievement is Riyaz. Same thing doing again and again and again to achieve perfection. That is called Riyaz. And second, you asked that different practice time, different ragas. That is not very scientific. The time theory is not very scientific, because when we go to the recording of All India Radio, say for example at 9:30 the recording time is fixed. I went there, one cut, morning cut, half an hour, I sang Bhatiyar. In the afternoon, I'm supposed to sing Sutsarang, but the recording is 9:30. I'm singing Sutsarang, and third cut is is night 10 o'clock, I sang Rag Darbari Khanada. Because I shall have to change my mood. I shall have to think about the rag and its typical characteristics, not the time. But time is there in our mind because depending on sunlight and sunset, the attitude and mentality differs. That differs. So, that is why the time theory is there. But when you can understand that time is not the main thing is the mood. রবীন্দ্রনাথ বলেছেন প্রভাত কি রাত্রির অবসানে যখনই চিত্ত জেগেছে তখনই হয়েছে প্রভাত। যেদিন সকালবেলা আমার বাবা গত হলেন সেদিন সকালটা আমার কাছে সকাল ছিল না, গভীর রাত, তাই না? থ্যাংক ইউ। Second question, how do we make different types of palta? That depends on your imagination. Sarega, it's a mathematical progression. AP, GP, arithmetical progression and geometrical progression. Sarega, commonly it's Regama, and Sarega, Sarema, Sarepa. Question comes when we come back. Sarepa, ascending, and descending is Pamasa, 1 to 5, 1 to 5, Sagapa, Sagapa, Pagasa, Saremapa, 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 Pamagasa, Sarema, Sarema, 1 to 4, 1 to 4, Magasa. Ascending and descending should be same. Saregama, Magaresa, Saregapa, Saregapa, 1 2 3 5, Pamaresa, 1 2 3 5. This is the conception of palta. But in our training system, nobody follows this. This is very scientific. Or Sarega, Sarega, Saregama. We just teach everybody how to make the second design. But what is the design that I should go and come, or means ascending and descending, that should be very clear. Saregama Padanisa, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If I sing Sagapasa, 1 3 5 8, the 1 3 5 8, Sagapasa, Arohi, Avarohi is Sadamasa, Saresa, Sanisa, Saresa, Sanisa. This conception is not there. So, if you understand this mathematics, then you will be able to sing much, much, much more clearly and with much clarification you can sing that. Okay, thank you, Namaskar. Purbita Bhakto. You have asked about the Tabo Achinto Rupo Charito Mohima, famous song of Mahalaya. It is composed in Tintal, and the tabla was played by famous Radhakanto Nondi. Tabo Achinto Rupo Charito Mohima. It's Tintal. And the second song is Man Anand Anand Chayo. ये गाना जो है ये भी तीन ताल में है, मगर इसमें जो पहले जो एडलिप आशा जी ने गाई है वो उसमें ज़रा झाप ताल का असर है, मगर composition is in तीन ताल, and it starts from second ताली 1 2 3 4 मन आनंद आनंद छायो. Wo is the sum and starts from fifth bit. Because when the tal starts, then we can know that which tal has been selected for this composition, or what is the demand of the lyric, what is the chand of the lyric, that we can compose the song. So it's also in Tintal. It's sung by Asha ji and Satyashil Deshpande ji. कुमार गंधर्व जी के शागिर्द है, वो बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं, मुंबई में रहते हैं, अभी पूना में है वो, और आशा जी. क्या कमाल का गाना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. नमस्कार. Sangita Paul, you have asked about the quality of voice. Voice quality means it's steady, uninterrupted, silky finished, and without any deviation of frequency. This is what I teach in my online class. This is very important, but nobody gives that importance to that subject of practice. Like, or this is the most difficult practice to achieve. And this is the uniqueness of Indian music. In Indian music, one note for a longer time is used. No other music, vocal music in the world that takes up one note for a longer time. So first thing, to practice long note, to have perfection of your voice. Then so many things are important to practice. Position of 12 notes, like this is Sa, this is Ga, this is Pa, this is Komal Ni, this is Komal Ga, Komal Da, Komal Re, Shuddha Ga, Pa, Shuddha Ni, Shuddha Da, like that. To know the position of each note with reference to Sa. Then question comes how you use dynamics, modulation. Those are detailed. If you want to know, you can learn this detailing practice process in my online class. And second question is how to present a song. When your voice is prepared in every respect, automatically any song you will sing will be more perfect and will be more impressive. If I sing Tumi kemon kore গান করো হে গুণী তুমি কেমন করে গা গা গাধা পামা গারে সাদা নি সা. This is not the Swaralipi. Swaralipi can never express any song. This is Sur. Kemon kore. This you cannot write down. No piece of paper or no pen can explain this by writing. The most important thing is called Gayaki. Gayaki, Gayan Riti. All these things will be achieved when you know Sa, pure perfect position of Sa, or Ga to Pa, Komal Ni, Shuddha Da, Shuddha Ni, Komal Ga, Komal Da. You'll have to know them. And then, which is the composition and how it's composed in which notes, that you'll have to learn. সমস্ত গানের স্বর সুর জানতে হবে, তা না হলে কখনো পারফেক্টলি গান গাওয়া যাবে না বা গানকে নতুন করে সাজানো যাবে না. ভালো করে গাইতে গেলে এগুলো জানতে হবে. থ্যাংক ইউ. নমস্কার. প্রসেনজিৎ সেনগুপ্ত ফ্রম গুরগাঁও. নমস্কার. আপনি জানতে চেয়েছেন যে কি করে ভিব্রেটোকে বাদ দেওয়া যায় এবং হাউ টু গেট স্টেবিলিটি. ইউ প্র্যাকটিস উইথ অ্যাকাউস্টিক তাম্বুরা, or if you don't have any acoustic tambura, you practice with electronic tambura, keeping the volume little louder. Ga. If you keep the volume lower, Ga, your reference is not helping you. This is the reference. Ma, dha, ni, ga, pa, re, ni, pa, sa. and sa or pa. These are the defects. Ga, pa. Some typical rendering of typical type of songs need little vibrato. If you sing a kirtan, you need some vibrato. But that is after learning that how to avoid vibrato, then you can use the vibrato. If you unknowingly use vibrato, that is your defect. So you will have to achieve the voice steadiness. No vibrato. And if you practice correctly till your last breathing at the age of 86, your voice will not develop vibrato. You should practice with tanpura and little louder volume of tambura. Thank you. Namaskar. Your second question is little hazy, not clear. 5th and 11th frequency. If you start from sa, komal re, shuddha re, komal ga, shuddha ga, it's the 5th note. And ma, tibra ma, pa, komal da, shuddha da, komal ni, shuddha ni, 11th note is shuddha ni. So ga and shuddha ni, it's already in Vad Sambad, in 5th note relationship. So ga, ni, these are 5th and 11th. You practice keeping in sa in your focus. Keeping sa in your focus, you can practice ga, ni, ga, ni, ga, 5th, 11th, 11th, 5th, 5th, 11th, 11th, 5th. Thank you. Srimati Indrani Roy from Chittaranjan. I am very happy to receive all of your questions. I am very happy. You have asked, first question you have asked, that can music has the power to heal wounds? Can you say that why this program has been organized on 5th July, today? Only to have conciliation of minds, peace of mind, which can come only through music and nothing else. Because it can connect your body and mind, which called yoga. Yoga means to be connected with yourself, your mind and heart and chitta. যদি আপনার মন, চিত্ত এবং শরীর এক কথা বলে, তবে কনসেন্ট্রেশন ডেভেলপড হয় এবং দেন ইট মেক্স কমপ্লিটলি different impact on your mind. Say, just listen. Om Khang Vayumagning Salilang Mahincha Jyoting Shisattvani Dishodrumadin Sarit Samudrang Shaharishariram Yatkincha Bhutang Pranamedanannam Om Yang Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutah Stunnanti Divvaistavair Vedaih Sangapadakramopanishadair Gayanti Yang Samagaha Dhyanavasthita Tadgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yang Yogino Yasyantang Nabiduhu Surasuragana Devaya Tasmai Namah. Can you say that before start chanting this shloka and after listening this shloka, your mind is in the same position, same state? You can never say yes. must, this is a must, that your attitude is changed. So if you listen to prolonged notes for longer time, you will have better sleep, better attitude, more peace of mind, and overall a greater humanity will come through listening music. That I have proved in so many ways, and that's why Shruti Nandan has been made and developed. All credit goes by all gurus, because they taught me how music changes our mind, how music changes ourselves, how music gives us peace, satisfaction, and ultimate happy attitude. So in this lockdown period, enjoy music, listen to good music, not any sarcastic music. You listen to good music, traditional music, Indian music. Thank you. Namaskar. Your second question is importance of tan in raga. Normally you understand sade sade gama pada this is tan. No, this is wrong answer. Any movement da 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 ga pa sa, this is a tan. Any movement is called tan. ये तान इस गाने में नहीं है. गाने में तान नहीं है. Means any sort of unique movements is called tan. But if I sing sade sade ga re ga ma ma ga re normally it is tan. So ये तान अगर ना भी गाए कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, कोई गाने का कोई कमी नहीं है, मगर it gives some satisfaction, some temptation in the climax time. गाना जब खत्म होता है, एक धुआंधार तान हो, एक बहुत बड़ा तान हो, अच्छा लगता है. If you listen to Salamat Khan Sahab, and I'll definitely mention Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab. And nowadays, my students like Anil Chatterjee, Brajeshwar Mukherjee, they are all good singers, and some lady singers, and of course, Kaushiki makes very unique first tans. First tan also gives us enjoyment, ultimate satisfaction of playing, of game. It's a science. And not only that, Sargam also. Sama ga re ga pa re ga ma ta pa ga re ga ma ni sa ni pa da ni ga re ni sa ni ga re ga ma pa ga re pa sa re ma ga. This is called Sargam Tan. So Tan gives us a satisfaction of achievement. But Tan is not a must in Khayal Gaiki. Thank you. Rupinder Kaur from Ludhiana. You are like my daughter. I love you very much. God bless you. Convey my respect to all of you in your family. रुपिंदर, देखो एक बात मैं तुमको बताता हूँ कि राग सीखने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए. हम शुरू कर देते हैं, बंदिश लिखवा देते हैं, उसके बाद हम शुरू करते हैं. मगर राग सीखने के लिए तुमको 6-7 चीज़ बहुत अच्छी तरह जानना चाहिए. अगर इसको और भी डिटेल में जानना चाहते हो, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन 3-4 सेंटेंस में साफ नहीं हो सकता है. देखो, राग में पहला तो स्वर है, जैसे सा रे गा पा धा सा भूपाली, मगर सा रे गा पा धा सा इज नॉट भूपाली. सा रे गा पा धा सा इज भूपाली, आरोही. एंड सा दा पा गा रे सा अवरोही. बट दिस इज नॉट राग. रे गा. So typical use of re, typical use of ga, typical use of pa, typical use of sa, typical use of dha. So Bhupali Saragapadha will not be used in Deshkar Saragapadha, or will never be used in Shutkallam Saragapadha. So notes, their typical use, then Vatsambad, then Andolit Swar kaun sa hai, उसके बाद न्यास कहाँ कहाँ है, न्यास मीन्स स्टैंडिंग। फिर वाद संवाद रिलेशन कौन कौन सा नोट पे है। फिर उसका कविता क्या है, कविता जो लिरिक वो भी राग पे असर लाता है। उसके बाद आवाज़ कैसा है, उसमें डायनामिक्स मॉड्यूलेशन कैसा कैसा यूज़ करना है। फिर स्वर पे दखल कितना है, स्वर कैसे हमारा कंट्रोल में रहे, ये सब जानने के बाद जो लास्ट चीज़ चाहिए, ताल भी चाहिए, ताल भी है, फ्रेज चाहिए, राग का फ्रेज, उसका लय चाहिए, फ्रेज का लय चाहिए, मगर अल्टीमेट जो चाहिए वो इंसानियत। अगर अच्छा आदमी हो तो अच्छा सोचेगा, अच्छा राग संगीत सीखेगा। अच्छा करने के लिए पहले इंसानियत को अच्छा करना चाहिए, डेवलप करना चाहिए। जीते रहो, अच्छा रहो। और तुम लुधियाना में हो, पंजाब इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट प्लेस। वहाँ तुम लोग अच्छा रियाज करके राग संगीत को देखो। पूरा गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब में जितना गाना है सब राग में निबद्धित है, मगर वहाँ ज़्यादातर भांगड़ा सुनाई देता है। क्यों होगा? भांगड़ा गाने दो, यंग लोग ज़रा नाचेंगे कूदेंगे, ठीक है, मगर गुरु ग्रंथ जो कि पंजाब का सदगुरु जी का, गुरुओं का बानी है, वो सब राग संगीत में निबद्धित है। लेट एवरीबॉडी listen to, learn to, and understand to the greatest contribution of our country, Raga music. Thank you, beta. जीते रहो। Namaskar, Papre ji. You have asked regarding the learning facility from Shruti Nandan of your daughter who is 6 years old, number one, and number two, regarding any vocal music learning facility in Shiliguri. I think it will not be possible because Shruti Nandan is like Harvard University or Stanford University. They cannot have any branch because the basic humanity with music and completely scientific training process, it is very difficult to find people to teach. Only Shruti Nandan a school can provide that kind of training. শ্রুতি নন্দনে যারা শিখছে তারাই কেবলমাত্র শেখাতে পারবে, কোনো নামী লোক দিয়ে এই ট্রেনিং প্রসেস ডেভেলপ করা যাবে না। আর 6 বছর, 6 years old, it's the right time to start learning. You can contact my online team or you can contact Shruti Nandan. If you want to talk with the manager online, Sri Rudru Banerjee, his number is 6290-328189. 6290-328189. And Shiliguri thing, I think that it will not be possible very soon. Thank you, Namaskar. Shuripto Dasgupta, you have asked for very interesting question, how to develop ability to create phrases for alap. First thing, you'll have to master the notes. You have to master the notes means you have to know this is sa, this is ga, this is pa, this is re. All the position of notes, or sa, komal re, shuddha ma, pa, komal da, komal ne. All the komal swaras and shuddha swaras you'll have to master first to start learning raga. Then the use of the notes which are the basic notes of that particular rag. Like if you learn Gunkali, sa, komale, ma, pa, komala, sa, these are the notes. So sa, re, ma, pa, da, sa, da, sa, pa, da, ma, pa, re, ma, sa, re, ma, pa, da, sa. These are the basic practice. Sa, re, ma, pa, re, sa, ma, pa, da, sa, pa, ma, pa, da, sa, pa, da, ma, pa, da, re, ma, pa, da. To move anywhere, keeping those particular notes perfectly in tune. That is first thing. Then the characteristics of each note, what I was explaining a little earlier, that Re, Re. This is Gunkali's Re. Or Re. This is Ma Sa Re to write. But to sing or to realize Re. This is Andolit. Ma Pa Pa. This is typical characteristics of Gunkali. Ma Ba Dha. This is called Andolit. So Andolan, Meed, phrase, Badsambad, Bandish, Tal, Lay, everything you will have to achieve first, separately. First, you will have to understand hands, nose, lips, cheek, forehead, hair, legs, all the parts of the body. Then when the body is prepared, then you come to the chitta, heart, consciousness. That consciousness can be produced only from a body. So first you will have to make the body. Re, 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 no, da. You will not be able to sing this Andolan in the beginning. Or Ma Pa Dha Mid Sa Sa Re Ma Pa Dha Ma Re Sa Sa Raga is a non-lexical entity. And not only that, you will have to know that up to what extent you make understand yourself the raga lexically. Then non-lexical. Ma Pa Da. The non-lexical. And after that, Re, re, no, no, te, no. It's a subject of deep thought. Lexical, non-lexical, and deep thought. Deep thought starts coming if you learn only in Shruti Nandan process, because from deep thought, you will be able to realize the position of the notes. Not only it's non-lexical, it's a question of realization. Dha, dha, ma, pa, dha, ma, pa, da, re, da, ma, pa, ma, pa, da, sa. This is called non-lexical and deep thought. So all these things with the clear understanding of Tal Lay. And the last one is lyric. Lyric means Darya kinare pad pachtaye, संग के साथी सब पार उतर गए. कितरे खवैया टेर सुनत नाही, कहाँ करूँ मेरे भाग ही बैरी भय. कहाँ करूँ मेरे भाग ही बैरी भय. दरिया किनारे पड़ पछताए, संग के साथी सब पार उतर गए. The feeling and the total understanding of this lyric will have to be connected with all the qualities of a raga, with the help of rhythm. So, good marriage between this tal and sur, with the good adhesive of rag with lyric, with the good adhesive of tal. That makes a good rag. So raga music is very easy if you learn properly. For any help, you contact me. I'll definitely try to make you understand much better than this what I could explain within this short span of time. Thank you. Namaskar. And the second question, that different types of riyaz and how I can plan my riyaz for a week. And last question, and the last part of the second question, how many hours of riyaz is ideal to become a professional vocalist of Hindustani classical music? In my experience, what I could do, I can share with you. I used to practice normally 14 to 15 hours a day, and before that, 6-7 hours a day after the age of 25, 26. And when I started realizing that music is my soul, music is my heart, music is my food, music is my life, then I started practicing 15 hours, 14 hours, 14 hours and 30 minutes every day. For almost 8 years I did it to make myself little clear of my vision. Vision is the main thing. Sare ma ba da re, ma ba da re za re da pa ma ba da ma re, pa da ma ba da za pa za da ma ba da za re za da re za da za pa da ma da pa ma sa re. To realize that you are able to produce whatever you like. Profession means perfection, not fees. Normally, some people think that profession means how much money I get for a concert. No. Profession means perfection. Ghulam Ali Khan Sahib used to say that if somebody practices for only 24 hours, it's good. Only 24 hours means the fourth time to eat, fourth time to go to the bathroom, and fourth time to sleep. Those times, if you just eliminate, you will find 14 to 15 hours. That means 24 hours. Because 7-8 hours sleep, 1 hour bathroom and other things, and maybe half an hour to 1 hour for food, and maybe 10-15 minutes, half an hour relaxation in between. And that 14 hours, not one day or 3 days in a week. 365 days minus 1 day per week. I will definitely say that if somebody wants to make himself professional musician, he should practice not less than 14 to 15 hours. Thank you. Namaskar. Namaskar, Trupti Desai ji from Dubai. Please accept my namaskar, and I believe you enjoyed the concert thoroughly. Not for my music, for the purpose of making this happen. However, we are all grateful to all of you for your kind donations, sponsorship, and come forward to help accompanying musicians. Thank you very much. You asked regarding the Kansurapan. If you keep the tambura little volume little up like this, and do you follow the difference? Pa, this is Kansurapan, and pa, this is in tune. So ma or ma. One thing you remember, that any distorted thing is understandable by anybody if you give little concentration to understand that. If you say sa, or if you sing sa, immediately everybody will understand that this is not good and earlier one was good. So this is, you will have to depend on tambura. That dependence, वो प्यार, वो श्रद्धा, वो समर्पण तंबूरा के लिए आपको सुर में लाएगा. That quality you will have to achieve only by loving, by paying respect, by surrendering to the tambura sound. Because it's drone, it's continuously coming back to judge you. No, फिर से थोड़ा बेटर है, थोड़ा और पा मा पा पा धा. This is oscillating note, but still the main note is not deviated. Da, re, re. ये आपको हासिल करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन you have asked regarding that when can I start singing in different scale. Different scale तो आप गाते ही हैं. सा रे गा मा पा धा नि सा, दिस इज प्योर स्केल. सा रे गा मा पा धा नि सा, भैरव स्केल. सा रे गा मा पा धा नि सा, भैरवी स्केल. सा रे गा तीव्र मा पा कोमल दा शुद्ध नि सा, इस पूर्वी स्केल. सा रे कोमल गा मा पा धा कोमल नि सा, इट्स काफी स्केल. Maybe you wanted to ask different pitch, not scale. Different pitch means sa, sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, or sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. You can sing from any pitch. Only thing that your sa will have to be confirmed. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, or sa re ga komal ga ma pa dha komal ni sa, kafi. So if you can master your sa, sa, the mother of all notes. Sa means shadaj. Shadaj means shadja. Shadja means 6 notes are getting birth from sa. If the sa is like, then it's re. If sa is sa to re, sa to re, sa to re, sa to re, sa to re. The re is getting changed. Similarly, ga, ma, pa, dha, everything will change. So you master your sa. Any note can be considered as sa. Any note can be your sa. You practice. Thank you. Namaskar. And for any further question, you can ask me in my online classes. Thank you. Namaskar. নমস্কার, আমি শেলি রায়জিকে বলছি. আমার সশ্রদ্ধ নমস্কার নিন, ভালো থাকুন. প্রথম কথা হলো, হোয়াট ইজ ইউর এজ? Because muscles get tired when you don't practice for a longer time, or you start at a very late age. After 45 or 40 years of age, the muscles are not as powerful or as hardworking as you have in your early age. So if you sing from, say for example, B flat, sa, sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, you practice long note. Ga, pa, pa, or all the vowels. E, o, u. With the help of different palettes of your face, মুখের গহ্বরের বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে আওয়াজ যখন ভোকাল কর্ড থেকে বেরিয়ে আসে তখন সমস্ত ভাওয়েলগুলোকে অ্যাক্টিভেট করে। যেমন আ, ও, ই, উ, এ, আ, এ, ও, ই, আ, এ, ও, ও, ই, আ, এ, ও, আ, এ, ও, ই, উ, উ, ই, আ, এ, ই, এ, আ, উ, এ, উ, আ. All the notes you practice with all the vowels. Like E, E, or U, or O, or A, and A, 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 E, 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 O, U, E, A, O, E, A. You practice standing position in each note, but in between, don't do like this, that without keeping gap I am singing. Because the time is very short. For you, you have at least 4-5 seconds rest. Like, oh, rest. Normal breathing. Then, then again, rest for 5 seconds. Like this. It will be all right. Number, will you practice in the morning with akar or sargam? Any akar or ukar or any vowel or any consonant, सरगम से तो आपको गाना पड़ेगा, आपको तो सरगम ही गाइते হবে सा गा मा पा सा गा मा पा দিনের বেলায়, এটা কি? এটা সা গা মা পা বাঁশি তোমার জাগি বাজিয়েছিলে সা গা মা পা নে গা নে রে সা নি পা ধা গা পা মা গা. হয় গান বা প্র্যাকটিস. আ গা মা পা দা নি সা, আ সা সা নি নি ধা ধা পা পা. You translate anything, akar or lyric, only with sargam. So you have to know the sargam on which, depending on which you are singing akar or the song. Thank you. বুঝতে পারলেন তো? নমস্কার. সময়িতা ব্যানার্জি, আমার মনে হচ্ছে আমি তাকে চিনি, সে আমার কন্যার মতো, সে অত্যন্ত ভালো ডাক্তার, অ্যান্ড শি ইজ অ্যান এক্সেলেন্ট গার্ল. খুব ভালো থাকো সময়িতা. তোমার বাবা, তোমার মা, তোমরা অত্যন্ত উন্নত পরিবার, খুব ভালো, তোমাকে আমি ভীষণ ভালোবাসি. হ্যাঁ, তুমি বলছো যে for any new learners, how can they remember the specific features of a particular rag? আমি তোমাকে কী করে চিনি, তুমি আমাকে কী করে চেনো? বেসিক্যালি প্রথম চেনো, তারপরে তো চেনো মনুষ্যত্ব দিয়ে, অ্যাটিটিউড দিয়ে. বাট বিফোর দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ সাম স্পেশাল ফিচার্স, লাইক ইউ হ্যাভ স্পেকটাকল or you don't have. Your eyes are situated with your nose maintaining such unique distance that it's different from my position and your position in your face. Your hands are long, my hands are short. So that those are the features. That ga ma pa ga ma ga, this is bihag. Pa pa mane pa ma dha pa, pa ma ga ma ga. This is Bihag. Everybody knows. Or sa ma ga pa, sa ma ga pa, ma pa ma pa ma pa dha ma. This is Kedar. Ma pa dha ma. This is one of the salient characteristics of Kedar. Or ma pa sa ni re sa da pa, ma pa sa ma pa dha ma. We call them phrases of a rag. In each rag, you will find 5, 6, 7 phrases. Or some ragas are having even less than that, 4 or 3 or 5 maximum phrases. Though those phrases, if you listen to those phrases in any song, you can recognize that this is Rag Yaman. যেরকম বলছি সবাই আমরা তোমার বাগানে একসাথে ফোটা ফুল. This is Yaman Kalyan. একসাথে মাগানের একসাথে ফোটা ফুল. ইমন একসাথে ফোটা ফুল. Yaman Kalyan. একসাথে ফোটা ফুল. টোড়ি একসাথে ফোটা ফুল. Durga. Same thing. So it depends on the association. How many times you met Kedar? How many days you went to see Kedar? And in the Kedar's house, how many rooms you visited? Only the বসার ঘর, না বেডরুম, না কিচেন, কোথায় কোথায় গেছো? একটা বাড়িতে যেমন 2টো বেডরুম থাকে, একটা ড্রয়িং রুম থাকে, একটা অফিস রুম থাকে, 3টে বাথরুম থাকে, সেরকম একটা রাগে 4-5টা স্যালিয়েন্ট ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স থাকে যেগুলো সেই রাগটাকে পরিষ্কার করে. Thank you very much for your unique question. Good. And the second question is that how can we recognize a pitch of a particular song? You don't need to recognize the pitch of a song. You know the pitch. Like sa, see, I'm not singing, the tambura is off. Now I'll sing sa of C sharp. See, sa, 1, 2, 3. Now sa is in C sharp. First I'll sing, then I'll compare it to tambura. Sa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sa, the C sharp. And now I'm going to F sharp. I'm singing first. Sa, and then sa. This is F sharp. So, without learning the pitch, you will have to understand this is sa. This is F sharp. This is F sharp. This is A. This is F. This is E. This is D sharp. This is D. D sharp. This is C sharp. This is C. This is B. This is B flat. So, this is also just sa 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 sa. Oh, tambura is not there. Tambura has got limitation, but my voice doesn't have. So you can recognize the pitch very easily if you learn properly. একটা জিনিস আমি তোকে বলছি, শরীরং সুরূপং সদা রোগ মুক্তং यशश्चारु चित्रं धनं मेरुतुल्यं गुरोरं ह्रिपद्मे मनश्चन्न लग्नं ततः किम ततः किम ततः किम ततः किम. যদি আমরা সুন্দর সুচারু হই, শরীরং সুরূপং, যদি সুরূপের মানে আমাদের অধিকারী হই, সদা রোগমুক্তং, কোনো রোগ না থাকে আমাদের, রোগ মুক্ত হই, ধনং মেরুতুল্যং, ধন সম্পদ অনেক থাকে, সব কিছু যদি থাকে তাহলে অভাব কার জানো? একজন সদ্গুরুর। You need a guru who takes you from darkness to enlightenment. You need it. Even at the age of 65, I have seen so many persons asking for a guru. একজন গুরুর কাছে যেতে চাই। রামকৃষ্ণ মিশনের ওই সাধু মহারাজ কীরকম হবেন গো, ওনার কাছে যেতে পারি? These questions comes. You need a guru. Without guru, nothing is possible. So this concert I started, this is the, till today I think this is the only big, well-organized, online, live music concert I have started on the day of Guru Purnima to remember them. I am nobody. All credit goes to my gurus. Thank you, Baba. God bless you. Namaskar. I am talking to Mr. Sandeep Niyogiji. Your question is very, very intelligent question and very useful. Not only intelligent, this is very useful. And these are the real questions through which Indian music can be more enriched, and there should not be any compartmentalization within any subject. Because I had the rare opportunity to see some great gurus, and from whom, Guru Gyan Prakash Ghoshji, from whom I understood that everybody is my guru. আমি সবার কাছে শেখবার জন্য আমার জন্ম হয়েছে, এটাই আমি গুরুজির কাছ থেকে বুঝেছি। উনি বলতেন, গুরু বলে কারে প্রণাম করবি মন, দিস ইজ বেঙ্গলি সং। তোর অতীত গুরু পথিক গুরু, গুরু অগণ, গুরু বলে কারে প্রণাম করবি মন। So I have learned all these things. You have asked regarding prelude, interlude. I have learned so many things from my accompanists, from my friends when I started recording other forms of song other than khayal or thumri. Say for example, I was thinking, Guru bole kare pranam korbi mon. Before I start, if a flute starts playing, ta ta ra ra ta ra ra ta ra ra ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ra. Guru bole kare pranam korbi mon, to bring the environment in my mind and to inspire me to sing the song. The importance of interlude, prelude music is very, 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 very interesting. If I sing Ghuma Shena, so first the reading, ta ta ra ta ra ta ta ra ra ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra 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 ta ra ra ta ra 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 ta ta ra 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 ta ra ra Ghuma Shena. So this is the inspirational music to make me little more interesting to start singing Ghuma Shena. Or if I sing कौन गले, sing a ठुमरी, गयो श्याम. So one sarangi or harmonium player is there. He will bring the environment of Khamaj Rag. Now I'll start singing. This is called prelude. And then comes, before each antara, it comes, which we called as interlude. Interlude, to manage the gap between first part, that is sthai, then antara, then sanchari, then abhog. Or in the light music, we call it sign and cross, like कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. This is sign. लोगों का काम है कहना. Cross. छोड़ो बेकार की बातों से कहीं बीत न जाए रहना. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे गा जगा पानी द धनी सरे गा सनी पद म प ग सरे नि द स ग म म मद सनी पनि पनि द प म ग स प. हम दोने da 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 da. Then we are coming to the antara. This is how the prelude and interlude music comes. But for that, you'll have to learn raga music. Otherwise, how to connect in between? If I play ga ma pa ma pa da pa ma pa ma ga ma pa ma pa da pa ma pa ma ga ma pa ma pa da pa ma pa, it will not fit it. It will not fit in. कैसे इसको सीखना है, उसके लिए आपको राग म्यूजिक सीखना पड़ेगा. राग म्यूजिक सीखने के बाद you will have a clear understanding regarding the melodic form. तो da 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 da, इसमें क्या है? गा मा पा पा नी द प मा मा पा सा सा नी सा गा गा नी द धा धा रे सा नी द प गा मा पा पा नी द प मा मा पा. আমরা যারা গাইতে পারি, we can sing after listening. We don't know that exactly the movement where we are moving. How I can da 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 sa ni da ma pa da ma pa ma ga sa re ga ma. So how this melodic form is inspiring me, that learning comes from raga music. However, sorry for the long answer. Next question, that how we flexible our voice. Flexible means doing one thing, sa re ga ma 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 sa re ga ma. Movement. Gradually you start practicing first, but before running, one should learn how to walk correctly. Your stepping should be correct. Then your running also will be correct. Thank you. Namaskar. I'm talking to Mr. Prashanta Sannal from Chandannagar. You have sent 2 questions. First of all, I'm really grateful to Almighty that people like you at the age of 40 plus, you are also interested in learning music, which is very good, because music is not for performing only. Music is for realizing, is for developing humanity and developing sense of perfection. What you have asked, if you know the sa, then how other notes can be more clearly understandable. See, sa, re, ga, ma. How you are feeling? Sa, re, sa, re, sa, re, re, sa, re, sa, re, sa, re, sa, re. Two notes. Then re, ga, yani sa, re, sa, re, ga. Easy. Sa, re, ga, 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 sa, re, ga. It's easy. You'll have to shift the sa. So, sa, ga. And to achieve this, even at this age, because your vocal cords are not trained. আমাদের মিলিটারিতে দেখবেন ভালো ভালো কুকুর রাখা হয়, তারা কমান্ড দিলেই বুঝতে পারে, কিছু না বললেও বুঝতে পারে। এই যে বুঝতে পারার জন্য তাদের যে অ্যাসোসিয়েশন দেয়া হয়, বা ধরুন যে সমস্ত, এমনকি থাইল্যান্ডে বাঘেদেরও ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয়, বাট এভরিথিং স্টার্টস এট এ ভেরি আর্লি এজ। When their consciousness develops in the beginning at the age of 4, 5, 6, that is the right age to start learning. I'm not discouraging you at all. You can learn anytime, because learning 40 বছর বয়সে আপনি ক্লাস 1-এ ভর্তি হতে পারেন, ক্লাস 2-তে ভর্তি হতে পারেন, you have option. But when you come out of the school, your age will be 52. So 52 years এজে আপনি যদি স্কুল ফাইনাল পরীক্ষা দেন, সেটা খুব একটা আপনার পক্ষে আনন্দদায়ক হবে না, কিন্তু ইউ ক্যান অ্যাচিভ। সো ইফ ইউ ক্যান রিকগনাইজ সা, দেন পা, দেন ধা, দেন নি, দেন গা, and man kumni and kumulda, man tibraman pa ga. Very serious thing for you that you keep the tambura volume up. Ga, pa, ni, sa, re, ga. Number 1. Number 2, what should be your practice? Second question. First thing to achieve is standing note by recognizing them. If the sa is there, you get silent and calculate in your mind that where is your dha. Ta, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha. No, sa, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, ga, ni, sa, ga, ni, sa, ma, dha, sa. So you point out each note, keeping the tambura on and with little upper volume, little more volume. You will be achieve both your other notes and your voice will be much more steady. Thank you. আমার নমস্কার নেবেন, ভালো থাকুন। আর দরকার লাগলে এই প্রসেসগুলো ভালো করে শিখুন। থ্যাংক ইউ। নমস্কার। I am giving the answer to the question of Shomi Roy ji from Chicago, United States. You have asked very intelligent question, and you will be able to understand it when you have the experience of learning for a longer time. Otherwise, just questioning this means nothing. Because I'm telling you, association of father, association with mother cannot be substituted. So Guru Shishya Parampara is the only way, is the only successful way to teach and learn Indian music, no doubt. But जब आपको दूध नहीं मिल रहा है मगर दूध का प्रोडक्ट आपको चाहिए, तो आपको कार्ड भी मिल सकता है, आपको छाना मिल सकता है, आपको मिठाई मिल सकता है, और अगर आपको ताकत है, इफ़ यू हैव that kind of demand of milk, you can have milk as well. But how those milk are getting packed and coming to you, those are the things. I have worked very hard for the students for last 35 years or maybe 40 years. But to learn Indian music, first of all, you will have to have ample gift from Almighty or from your family to understand the notes. If you don't have that, you should not start learning. Association and God gift is very important to start learning music. Of course, hard work is the most necessary thing, hard work. Like Sarigama ba Rigama ba gare sa. If I ask you to sing, you sing Sarigama ba Rigama ba gare sa. Music is not your cup of tea. You'll have to know that Sarigama ba Rigama ba gare sa. This you'll have to achieve. But Sare Pa, this thing is always better to learn in front of Guru. But if you don't have Guru and you are living in United States and you want to learn music, of course that qualified Guru is very difficult to get. But if somebody is there, then why not with the help of this internet? Why not? Maybe which will take 1 year to learn in front of a guru, that will take 2 years through this online system. And you have the correct understanding of Rag Malkos, like you can ask, I'm singing vocal music why I have kept a harmonium with me. Because I know the exact frequency of Malkos. I will not take the benefit of harmonium, but benefit of harmonium is also a very unique thing. So this ambience of Sagamada 4 notes, you can learn through internet. But exactly the expression, exactly the perfection, if you listen, if you meet your Guru through internet, you can learn a lot, because I have more than 200 students from different parts of the world. They are learning from me in live classes, and they are enormously improving. I know them. Some of them are singing very, very well. And though they didn't learn from any guru in India, or some of them were learning South Indian Carnatic music, but they are learning now music. Of course, I cannot create anybody. Creation is the only through Almighty God. Almighty God must have to give some gift of understanding, of realizing what the Guru is saying. That is important. But online training can help. Maybe one-to-one, maybe in a group, no problem. Why only one-to-one? Because when I'm teaching a girl or a boy sitting in front of me, the same thing is being understood by the girl sitting beside him. Why one-to-one? This is a completely misinterpretation of training. If I am giving it to everybody, जिनको लेना है वो ले लेंगे, जिनको लेना नहीं है वो कभी नहीं ले सकते हैं. Who wants to learn, he can learn. Who doesn't want, let him sleep alone. No problem. So, first, live training, of course, is number one. But number two is live online class, what I'm saying. Only recording will not help. You have the option, you must have to have option to ask your Guru that this is what I could understand. Could you kindly correct me? That option will have to be there. And your second question is that how music can be taken as profession, particularly in this situation. Jabki there is no foreign tours, concerts and workshops have been restricted and will be quite some time to regularize, if at all, again. Nothing will remain like this. We are experiencing a completely unknown time, no doubt. No doubt. But just try to understand, after the atom bomb was thrown on Japan during Second World War, Japan was completely finished. But within few years, 30, 40, 50, 60 years, they can purchase some of the United States property. You know that. So everything is possible. But that promise, that hard work will have to be there. And this was very obvious, this what we got through this COVID-19. Because we were completely so proud that we started thinking that after God, I am the second God. Where God has given us a good slap to make us understand. Just keep quiet. You are nobody. You are much less than an insect. So that respect to the nature, that power of nature was completely ignored by us. And we started thinking that I am king. I can do anything and everything. Yes, you can do, but don't forget that you are a product of this nature. Like a dog, like a cat, a human being is also a product of this nature. So try to maintain the nature, try to save this nature, try to keep this as clean as possible, try to keep it normal. Any abnormal thing is not good. However, I am a very pessimistic person. I always think good. I always think that everything will be all right. And I don't have any frustration in my mind. I am the happiest person in the world. And till my last breathing, I will be happiest. I want your blessing. That's all. Thank you. Namaskar. অনামিকা পাল, নমস্কার। আমি আপনাকে বাংলায় বলছি। আমার সশ্রদ্ধ প্রণাম, ভালোবাসা, শুভেচ্ছা জানুন। প্রথম প্রশ্ন হলো, আমি আপনাকে প্রশ্ন করছি, আপনি এতদিন বন্ধ করলেন কেন? আপনি কি 25 বছর খাওয়া বন্ধ করেছেন? 25 বছর কি বাথরুম যাওয়া বন্ধ করেছেন? তাহলে মিউজিক, হুইচ ইজ নাথিং বাট আওয়ার এক্সিস্টেন্স, The inhaling air produces oxygen and exhaling air makes music. So music is not a subject. আপনি ছাড়লেন কেন? শ্বাস নিন, প্রাণে বাঁচছেন অক্সিজেন, শ্বাস ছাড়ুন। It is the music. So music is not a subject. You will have to realize that music is not mathematics, music is not physics, music is not chemistry, music is not computer science. It's created with your existence. Why you pay disregard to your existence? That is my first question. Okay. I think you will be able to realize what I'm saying. No problem. You have breathing problem. For that, you do the pranayam. You go to the channel where Ramdev ji teaches us pranayam. Pranayam means to be able to hold your air for a longer time. Like this is pranayam. So why only breathing? Why? You produce music. Why unnecessarily your internal air will be wasted not by singing music? Every day we are taking breathing, we are living. Why? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Just taking air and exhaling air. But in between, how beautiful sounds came. You exploit yourself. You pay respect to yourself. You try to understand that you are a unique creature of this world. You are a human being. You can do anything and everything. So, have impetus to do miracle in your life. You'll be able to do. Just try. Age is not a factor at all. নমস্কার, আমি আপনার শেষ কোশ্চেনের উত্তর দিচ্ছি। আমি অনামিকা পালজিকে আমার নমস্কার জানাচ্ছি। দ্বিতীয় প্রশ্ন, আপনার কন্যার যেটা হয়েছে সেটা খুব নর্মাল। দিস ইজ নাথিং বাট টর্চারিং অফ ভয়েস, or we call it malpractice or wrong practice of good voice. You need a speech therapist. You consult. I am giving you the number. The name is Mr. Somnath Mukherjee. He is a very dependable speech therapist. His number is +91 India 98312 and 71556. You can contact Somnathji. He will take care of your daughter's voice, and I believe that it will be 100% okay. Thank you. I'll pray to Almighty for a complete peace of your family. Thank you. Namaskar. যদি ভালো লাগে আপনাদের এই প্রচেষ্টা, আজকে যে প্রচেষ্টা হলো, যদি ভালো লাগে আপনারা সঙ্গে থাকবেন এবং প্রার্থনা করবেন যেন শ্রুতিনন্দন সারা জীবন এরকম কাজ করে যেতে পারে। কারণ শ্রুতিনন্দনের একটা ইন্টারেস্ট, to pay respect to Indian music, to make people understand the value of Indian music. পৃথিবীতে যদি কোনোদিন শান্তি আসে, তো it will come only through Indian music. এটা বিশ্বাস করবেন। আমি এটা রিয়েলাইজ করেছি বলেই শ্রুতিনন্দনকে জন্ম দেওয়ার জন্য প্রচেষ্টা করেছি। অবশ্য জন্ম দিয়েছেন ঈশ্বর, কিন্তু আমি ভৃত্য হিসেবে কাজ করে যাচ্ছি। আপনাদের আশীর্বাদ চাই। ধন্যবাদ। নমস্কার।